Baha Mar in Nassau, Bahamas is an amazing resort. It's actually made up of 3 different properties: Grand Hyatt, SLS, and the Rosewood. So depending on your budget, you can stay at either one of these. So many great restaurants on property. I do have to say, out of all 3, I think the most active hotel is definitely the Grand Hyatt when it comes down to number of restaurants, live entertainment. You have your sports book in there, and diagonally across the street you have the Royal Blue Golf Course. When we were there, of course, we had a downpour of rain, but before you know it, the sun came right back out and we were right back on the course again. It was challenging and so much fun. So if you have a chance, make sure you visit Baha Mar in Nassau, Bahamas.